Crazy shit. I can't. Yeah, my favorite song. So took a picture with me somehow. Learn this next semester. Like, nice stuff. Oh shit. Oh my god. Crazy, bro. Oh my god. Yo, that teachers are so nice. I just realized that I forgot my color glasses. Fuck. And this is the only class I have today. What the fuck? Shit. Everyone who is wearing uniform are younger than me. Crazy. How to get there? I'm gonna kind of see the list. Apparently there is a must uniform. Some kids are wearing it. I don't know where that is though, but like. Okay, I waited for the librarian to come. As a first year student, I can't get a book from the library yet because our information are not completely resolved. This one. The next is gonna start soon, that's why it's dark. Apparently the opening ceremony should take place around here, but it's like packed with cars. It's like, where are they gonna do it? So instead of like watching this, I'm gonna go to Dame instead, I think. Guess what? This shit is... Toilet is locked. Fuck am I supposed to... The fuck? Yes. Fucking fail to make shit interesting in the bathroom. I wonder if this shit actually helps. I feel fucking fast from there. I wonder. I hope it never happens. Okay, I got this. I think this is the only thing I'll get from school though, in the university. Okay. I think they're just connected straight up. Oh yeah, now I'm here. Like you see there, right? This is like the second building. Now we're going to the first building. Yeah, I was going outside like from manually, but now we can do this. Crazy how this is my degree now. Oh, look. Damn. Soдар Bible юм болов уу? Зарим мөрөө. За тэгвэл та e-sport үздэг болоо. Үздэг. Ер нь яг өөрийгөө хаана явж байгаа үедээ хизээ ямар байх ёстой гэдгийг мэдэх хэрэгтэй гэж үздэг. I was suddenly interviewed. I don't even know where I was. I don't know. I think I was on Facebook. Shit. Oh my god. Crazy shit. Look. Damn. I haven't got your bitch. Crazy shit. I think it was like this side of the fire. Are you showing this side? Like, and I waved like this. Shit, I don't even know how I looked like on that. Win баг аах юм биш үү? Бэжтэй.
Тэгэхээр хамгийн их уншигдсан ном юу байдаг бол та?
Хамгийн их уншигдсан Содар Bible юм болоо. Гэрэл юм болоо.
Сэтгэл татвай гэж юу гэж байгаа юм?
Сэтгэл
татвай.
Сэтгэл татвай. Аа, сэтгэл дотроо авсан.
48 хууль гэдэг ном. Сая e-sport үздэг хэлсэн яг зүү.
I still can't believe that I forgot what tokens Mongols got, like vitality, team spirit, and then what was the other one? Fucking Mongols. This song. I can literally put this now. I can. Put it. Hey. Yeah, my favorite song. So номын зүгээр харж чадахгүй дотор нь байгаа юм. За. These are so fat books. Like, wow. Please, I'm gonna like turn off. They also took pictures with me somehow. Everyone wants pictures with me. Oh my god. I'm so safe. Oh my god. Physics is actually super interesting. I'm gonna learn this next semester. Like, my stuff. All of high school in this. Oh shit. Crazy. Чулуугийн физик болтын хавчаа яалаа юм. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna read so many shit this year. Илүү ухаан процесс. Girl. Oh my god. Okay. Got one excellent brush freezing. Mango was a pretty decent option because I was debating between mango or peach. Oh my god, I love this cafeteria. And then the meals are also cheap and it tastes very good too. It's like on the class group chat, there's a Twitter thing that who wants to watch the opening ceremony. So I was like, yeah, let's go.
Оруулдаг юм байна. Төвтөр зүгээр ингээ өгснөө за баяртай гэж хаалгацсан.
Crazy bro. Waiting for my next bus. Point I should walk. Like what the fuck? I'm gonna fucking walk. I should have took off at Mongols and then walked. I've been thinking of getting a scooter and like riding that shit to school. Fucking bus came. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Fucking. Oh fuck. They literally live nomadically now. Үрдэрнэ. Орлогын үсгээр ч гэсэн ер нь тэгээд янз бүрийн ивент болохоор ирнэ. Монголд одоо ганц жил байж байгаагийн ашигыг гаргана. Тийм ээ. Тийм ээ өөртөө тэр ашигыг гаргаж байгаа. Йоо заавч. Чамтай ажиллах хүмүүс байна. Нэр анахаас малтарсан хэдийд хүүхдүүд л шүү дээ. Бүр crazy. За баяртай. Аха. Чөтөр бандэр ирсэн үү те? Ол чөтөр юм уу? Харин дүүг багш явсараа явж халсан те. Яа. Би баг юм болохгүй те. Цаа чи баг Свист орох гэж байгаа юм шиг. Оо нэрээс жүжигчин болно гэдэг нэ. Эсвэл багш малчин болно гэсэн. Би тэдэс дүүг юмч боллоо доо хөрхий. Яа. The teachers are so fucking nice. Right. Damn. Crazy shit. Can't believe I don't study here anymore, man. Type shit. Seminars. Тэнийг хайгаа болчихсон. Би харин чам. За яасан. Чиртэ орчлоо. Уулуурхаа ангид орцсон. Our school receptionist recognized me. Like I hope that parents come past 3 p.m. because at 3 p.m. Danish class is gonna finish. So.
Тэгээ цаг хугацаар ороод ирэхлээр амар юм байна.
Үгүй харин би багшаа бүр лекц дээр шууд багшийн үдс тарлаа намайг явуулдаг.
Дайц зөвсөж
Оо хаа. За. Багш намайг таниад байгаа уу танихгүй байгаа боо яагаад гэж байна. Skip shit. Parents nearly saw us fuck. But I don't think they know. Acting nonchalant.
Доод байхгүй мó?
Acting nonchalant after chatting so pretty.
Socialize. Тийм гэсэн introvert, extrovert.